From Iran, and today I want to share with you what are the importance factor of choosing the correct PC casing. You see, the benefit of a PC casing is mostly undermined because it's not something that is directly related to performance. We assume it's just maybe the outlook of the casing, and nobody thinks, not many people thinks in depth about them. But today is different. I'm going to tell you, to share with you over the few years the problems that I have had with the PC cases, and share with you how you can choose a better casing and why you should choose it. One of the first most important points is that you should determine, it will determine how much of cooling capability your case has. As you can cool the components of a PC case, you can increase their performance. So it should be in everybody's mind that I want the best cooling solution because I want the best performance. If we have less dust buildup in our PC case, we will have continuous best performance from day 1 until day 1000. So constantly we are having the optimum performance of our PC. The noise level is also an important factor. So if you're somebody who is recording video, who is particular about having a calm environment to work in, you should consider better options of the casing. Having all the factors together, at the end it comes to the costing. You might think that this PC casing can benefit you a lot, but if it is expensive, you won't spend as much as you are going to spend for a processor just for casing. So you should consider that some casings are really more expensive than processors. It should be small, light, and portable. It should be as small that if you have a presentation in your office, you can just grab the PC and go do your presentation and come back. For me, particularly, I can't live with laptops. Laptops are too slow or too expensive. Either they're too slow or too expensive. So the solution is to use a PC. But everybody laugh at me whenever I want to take it to a meeting. Therefore, I have to choose a small casing which is light and portable for me. It should be a very in the key PC component, the cooling unit should be very simple to install. Not like most of the water cooling systems in the market coming. You have to read through manuals to install it. You have to, like, this screw is for this type of bracket, that type of bracket gets this type of screw, and the type of housing that you should choose, the fittings, the radiator size. You should get almost an engineering degree to do that. So it should be easy. And if your PC case use just one less fan. Just use just cool down the CPU enough to make it more efficient. You are going to have big power saving, because that's a component. Computer is a component in your house that almost half of the time is on, half of your life is on. Is whenever I'm on, my PC is on, even some people, when they go and sleep, the PC is on. So the impact of power consumption, even a small impact, will significantly matter. And of course, it should house the components that you are buying. If you want to buy a mini ATX motherboard, you have to buy a case that can sustain that, the parts, the motherboards, and so on. But here is a good news. I have made a PC case which I believe is the best PC case in the world, and it's coming up. Look out for it. See you.